Hello and welcome to the craft room here at my 1902 farmhouse. My name is Alicia with Country Mama Musings, and I'm working on a project today, and I have a row of treble crochet. I thought I would invite you into my craft room and show you how to work a treble crochet. Let's get started. With your work in your hand and your yarn on your hook, we're going to create a treble crochet in this next stitch right here. We're going to yarn over once, yarn over twice onto our hook. I like to hold my finger on it to secure it while I'm working. I'm going to place my hook into the indicated stitch, making sure I get both the front loop and the back loop, unless your pattern indicates otherwise. Grab that yarn and pull it back through to the front of your work. You now have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull that yarn through 1 loop, 2 loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over again and pull that yarn through 1 loop, 2 loop. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull that through 1 loop, 2 loop. You completed that process 3 times, hence the word treble, which means triple. Let's move on and do that again in this stitch right here. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Secure that yarn with your finger if you can, if that's comfortable for you. Insert your hook into the indicated stitch, making sure you go through both the front loop and the back loop. And grab that yarn and pull it back up to the front. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loop. Yarn over, pull through 1 loop, 2 loop. You've completed that process 3 times, completing your treble crochet. Let's do that one more time right here in this stitch. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Hold that yarn and put your hook into the stitch indicated, getting the front loop and the back loop. Grab that yarn and pull it back through to the front. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, completing your treble crochet. One more time right here in this one. Yarn over once, yarn over twice. Hold the yarn while you place your hook from the front to the back, going through both the front loop and the back loop. Grab that yarn, pull it back through to the front. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. I'm going to complete a few more stitches without speaking so you can watch the process. And there we have it, a row of treble crochet for my project. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, please make sure you comment below. I hope to see you again here on the farm for more tutorials and more crochet projects. Until I see you then, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.